It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Thursday, the 12th of January. I'm Michael Groff. A beautiful day out there today. Lots of sun around. Temperatures sneaking up into the lower 70s. Another nice day tomorrow, although with a few more clouds around. Highs could even top out in the mid-70s, but a big change in the weather pattern is coming our way by the time we get toward late Saturday and continuing to at least the first half of next week. Increasing chances of rain and much cooler temperatures. Of course, there are all the usual questions surrounding where, when, and how much rain there will be. So, a lot going on. Let's talk about it. Here we go. The almanac from yesterday, 66 degrees, the afternoon high. 49 was the morning low, pretty close to those normals of 67 and 46. And outside now, here at 10:48 a.m. is when we're doing this. Of course, we do these videos live these days, and we've got 57 degrees at Sky Harbor, and dew point at 35, humidity 41%, the winds from the southwest at 3, barometer up there at 30.30 inches and rising. The upper level weather pattern around the nation, kind of a wavy pattern. One such wave bringing some strong and severe storms across the southeast U.S. We have a few tornado warnings right now. We have one down there toward Dallas County in Alabama. We're tracking a severe storm producing a tornado there. And another one just north of that, we've got a severe thunderstorm warning in Shelby County, Alabama. So just watching some of those strong storms there. There's a system off to the west of us. That's going to be our next big weather maker. But in the meantime, here in Arizona, we're under the protection of a ridge of high pressure. And so that's why we have the sunny skies and the beautiful temperatures at this point. Checking that watch warning map again, the tornado watch across portions of Alabama. A couple of tornado warnings under there. This map, I made this graphic quite a while ago, so some of those warnings have since expired, but we are tracking some new ones at this point. We have some flood watches and winter weather issues across parts of California. We're, of course, going to see more of those filling in here in the next day or two with another strong system heading in there. But for now, here in Arizona, things are quiet. Convective outlook for today, that enhanced risk of severe storms, level 3 out of 5 across parts of Alabama and Georgia. Severe storms possible in some of the adjacent states as well, though. And here's a look at precipitation. This is valid through Thursday morning of next week. Rain amounts in Phoenix anywhere from about 3/4 of an inch up to 1 inch. Just north and east of us, those favored upslope areas of northeast Maricopa, parts of Gila, and Yavapai counties, of course, could see more than that, as a rather unsettled period of weather here is in store for us. We'll talk about the details of that as we dive into the modeling right now. Here we go. This is the GFS. It's the 12Z run, and this is valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. All right, ridge of high pressure here. Heights above average. So what it means for us down at the surface today, just sunny sky and a beautiful afternoon. Highs in the low 70s. Perfect January weather. It's the kind of weather you brag about to all your friends back in those godforsaken places like the Dakotas, Minnesota, Illinois, Indiana. You just tell them, yeah, it's a beautiful day here. And they're like, oh, gosh, we're under about 6 feet of snow. So that's going to be a Chamber of Commerce sort of day today. Tonight, mostly clear sky, a little chilly overnight lows, upper 30s in the cool spots, mid 40s in the urban core, pretty seasonal. And then tomorrow, a mix of sun and clouds comes in, but a bit warmer with highs in the low to maybe even middle 70s. Should be the warmest day of the forecast period, but notice off to the west, rain and mountain snow beginning to come in for California and up into the Pacific Northwest. On Saturday, that system continues to deepen and heavy snow now for the Sierras, heavy rain across the valleys of California and the coast and up into the Pacific Northwest as well. And that system will be diving southeastward. Now, of course, this is a holiday weekend. And Saturday, if you're going to do something this weekend, Saturday is the day to do it because the day here in Phoenix should be dry, albeit mostly cloudy, a bit cooler. High temperatures in the mid to upper 60s, but other than that, the weather will not be a factor. Should be pretty nice. By Saturday night, we'll start to introduce a slight chance of rain in the evening, but I think if you have evening plans, they're probably going to be okay. But the rain should come in after midnight, and then the day on Sunday, showers will be likely, particularly in the morning, but they could continue into the afternoon. And high temperatures cooler, upper 50s to low 60s for the day on Sunday. Now, as we go to Sunday night and Monday, another follow-up system will be coming in. This one much more vigorous. The atmospheric river getting cranked up, deeper moisture coming in. And what appeared to be kind of an off and on showery day on Monday now might be more on than off. More showers around, showers likely. And again, I know we've got a lot of outdoor activities, a lot of festivities surrounding the Martin Luther King Jr. holiday, and you're going to have to bring an umbrella, it looks like at this point. I don't think it rains nonstop on Monday, but showers will be likely, and high temperatures, again, upper 50s to about 60s. So nothing overly cold, but a bit chilly, especially with some rain. Monday night and Tuesday, the rain continues. Showers will continue to be likely. Again, this is not a nonstop continuous rain event, but off and on showers will keep the rain chances in the 60 to 70% bracket, and high temperatures again for Tuesday, upper 50s and low 60s. And of course, plenty of snow for the high country. Now here we go to Wednesday. There's an outside shot. We can still have a shower here in Phoenix, but I think the day is partly sunny. The rain and snow should be confined to eastern Arizona at that point. And high temperatures again, upper 50s. And then a week from today, this is Thursday, the 19th of January, yet another system following up. And so we could see more unsettled weather here. Probably not as much rain. This system might be a little further to the north, but it still looks like a fairly potent cold core system here. So yeah, rain and mountain snow would still be possible, and high temperatures would continue below average. As we go out 10 days, this is Saturday, the 21st, and guess what? Another system taking aim on the southwest. The wave train continues, with the pattern amplifying across the Northeast Pacific. We've been talking about this for a while. And so I think Friday and Saturday of next week, at this point, again, we're talking about 9 and 10 days out. So, take this with a grain of salt. But at this point, they could still be dry for us, but another system coming our way. The one thing that appears to be very clear on this is that temperatures will be below average for much of next week. All right, looking at rainfall for Phoenix off the GFS ensemble. This goes out through the 26th of the month. The ensemble mean here on the GFS coming up toward an inch, almost an inch and a half. You got the control member higher than that. You got individual members showing 2 and 3 inches of rain. And so this just denotes, again, there is considerable uncertainty because obviously the spread here, you've got some members in our ensemble, both in the GFS, European, and Canadian suites that show very little rain. You got others that are way up there in the multiple inches, 2, 3, 4 inches of rain. So, the mean amongst all the members is between about 1 and 2 inches, and that seems like a good call. Unsettled weather will be with us. And we've been talking about this for several days now, that the weather pattern would begin to turn unsettled by about mid-month, and that appears to be how it's going to go. And then temperatures off the national blend of models, just beautiful today and tomorrow. If you like temperatures up in the low and middle 70s, this is for you. And then after that, if you're a fan of rain, well, you get what you like too. Everybody gets something here, with temperatures headed to below average levels once again. And that is going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video is due back here tomorrow morning. Should you happen to enjoy these videos, and of course you do, then be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. The executive producer of the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion is my one and only sweetest of all time, the Asian sensation, my Michelle. And thank you so much for watching. All of your continued support. These videos just not really possible without folks like you. And please be safe out there. Have yourselves an absolutely glorious Thursday.